Like, subscribe and get notified.
It appears that the Central Congress and AAP leaders are endangering the opposition unity in Goa, much as local leaders want a united front against the BJP in 2027. On Monday, Dr. Anjali Nimbalkar suggested that AAP is the B team of the BJP and that opposition leaders may be compromised. Asked about Girish Chodankar's statement, she said that AAP is constantly attacking the BJP. He may have referred to other opposition parties like the AAP who may be compromised, she said. Earlier, AAP leader Atishi had ruled out coalition with the Congress in Goa, much to the chagrin of local AAP leaders.
Congress is compromised. One sec. That's what I was going to say. No. There is a difference between opposition and there is a difference between Congress party. You should be very clear. You don't put your words in my mouth. Don't twist and turn the statements given by senior Congress leaders or any of the Congress party members. It is what interview he has given is the opposition is compromised probably. He has never used the word that the Congress party or the Congress leader. Now you guys only have to tell me what is the opposition in the state of Goa. It is few others also. So my LOP, who is the main leader of opposition in the assembly, is well read and very well during this budget session also. He has been attacking the policies of the BJP government and he has been very vocal. Along with him, our Congress MLAs, Alton Ji as well as Carlos Ji, are supporting him with all the documents and speaking against the corruption by the BJP government. So I'm not understanding what you meant and what answer you want from me.
Also is,
so you have to ask the other opposition people. No, I'm telling you
you are the main opposition.
That's
right?
what I am saying. What my opposition leader is doing in the assembly, I have given you saying about that. Now you people are saying that someone spoke about all these things regarding opposition. So it must be the other leaders like AAP, which already I am telling they are the B team of BJP, and other leaders might be compromised. I don't know about them. How can I speak on their behalf? I can speak only for the Congress party.
So you mean to say Aam Aadmi Party is compromised?
I don't know. That's what I'm saying. Did I give any statement like this? But I stick to my statement that Aam Aadmi Party, last time also I had mentioned, is the B team of BJP. And I stick to that statement.